10 Amazon Kitchen Finds. This is a microwave food cover that's a splatter guard, but it also lets you steam leftovers when you add water, heating things up evenly. These glass jars let you create an airtight vacuum seal to expel excess air when you push down the innovative lid, so you can extend the life of various foods like pasta, rice, and even mellows. And to open, just press the button and pull out. This awesome carburetor cleaner that turns into a satisfying foam to clean, deodorize, and knocks out the odor-causing buildup from the disposer and drain pipe. This is a digital timer with preset times that start right away as you turn it. That's great when cooking, and you can magnetically attach it to the fridge or air fry. This top-rated kitchen gadget uses hot air to effortlessly pop kernels into fluffy popcorn. Simply pour a quarter cup of kernels into the popping chamber. In just 2 minutes, you'll have up to 8 cups of delicious popcorn. Once done, snap the lid on, flip the gadget upside down, and it transforms into a handy serving bowl. This is a digital thermal thermometer, so you can take the temp of your meats to know when they're ready. This is the best lemon squeezer that I've tried out to get every last bit of juice without any seeds. This organizer attaches to your fridge shelf with no tools or adhesive, neatly storing 18 eggs and saving valuable space. It glides in and out effortlessly, so you can easily access your eggs whenever you need them. This is one of the highest rated and satisfying kitchen gadgets that let you automatically rice ground apples, so you can make tasty mashed spuds any time of the day. All you do is drop in some boiled potatoes and give it a twist. It's made of stainless steel that's super high quality and dishwasher safe. This Food Huggers is a game changer for your kitchen. Stretchy silicone sleeves fit various fruits and veggies, keeping them fresh and reducing waste. They're dishwasher safe and reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice for any home.